2 and 3. So this is what we're able to get. You can see also very fine. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. So this is how I make my glass soup. Sorry, we have started. I grate. What I added here is back of lemon peel. So I added it. Then I added these 3 powders: turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, and neem powder. Then I also added this camwood powder and snow white powder. So these are the powders that I've added here. Then also added my carrot, so here I'll be adding my egg yolk. This is a special soup for skin treatments. Yes, lately my skin became so rough. Like the past 2 weeks now, I've not really been taking care of my skin. So it became so rough. So in order to repair, so here we'll be making our lemon juice. So this is after adding the lemon juice. So now we are going to mix. So next we are adding our honey. So I added honey. So we'll be adding other ingredients. So now we'll be adding our oils. This is carrot oil. Next one is olive oil. Olive oil. So the next we'll be adding this Japanese carrot oil. I think it's our active ingredient. So I'll be adding papaya oil. Not much. Then I'll also be adding We're adding this lemongrass oil. Not much, because if oil is too much on the soup, it won't foam. So when adding oil, you have to add it carefully so that everything will balance. It will not be too much. You get. So let's do the mixing. At this point, we'll be adding fragrance. So at this point, you can see our soup is properly mixed already. I would have said let me still pound, but don't have that strength. So what I'll be doing right now